1-to-1 inner contra-angle, long screw type head takedown and repair. Disassembly procedure. Unscrew the long screws at the bottom by screwdriver. Remove the head. Remove the drive shaft with tools. Detach the back cover. Take out the cartridge. Take out the spring washer. Assembly procedure. Ensure the spring washer inside the head is correctly installed. Align the cartridge positioning point with the slot in the head, then gently insert. Tighten the back cover. Apply a circle of lubricant to the cartridge sealing ring. Reassemble the shaft to the head. Press the head part back into the handpiece body until they snap securely into place. Rotate the bird to check if the internal transmission shaft turns. Smooth rotation means successful assembly.